Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I've made a video, but here we go again. We are going up to Mountain Creek for a 3-day ski trip with the family, both the immediate family and the extended family. So my brother, his 2 kids, and then the grandparents. It should be fun. This is the first time in a while we've gone on a family trip with everyone, so we'll see how it goes. So the grandparents are riding with us in the car, which means very little trunk space. I'll show you guys. You know, with 5 sets of skis, food, luggage, I decided to get one of these things to extend the trunk. It's pretty big. My first time using it. We didn't even fill it all the way up, but pretty close. It's all strapped in. A little wobbly, but you know, it's installed per the instructions. So hopefully the trailer and all the equipment makes it up to the mountain in one piece. Anyway, so we will take you guys along with us. Hope you enjoy the video. See you on the slopes. We made it to Ski Mountain. It is packed. Alright, we got tickets, get dressed, see you on the mountain. Alright, so KK's on a ski lift for the first time. KK, is this your first time? Yeah, it's exciting. We're gonna try to take her down the mountain. We spent the morning on the bunny hill and she conquered it, so I think she's ready to get upgraded. So we are actually staying right off the lift, actually right over here. I don't know if you can see that in the glare, but hold on, let me try again. Right there. That's where we have our place for the next, that's where we're staying until tomorrow. It's pretty convenient. You can climb down and just ski right down this slope. And then when we're done, we just come down this trail and then just climb back into that house. So pretty convenient. It's like 65 degrees right now, so it feels like a summer day. Yeah? Yeah.